Why is my hair messing up with me? Can you just stay down and sleek and don't be frizzy? Just one thing I asked for. Okay. Take two. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the new shade Fussy. So Rihanna had to, of course, release a new color because these glosses are seriously so bomb. So I'm really excited to compare this one to the other two that I already have in my collection. So if you are interested in that, then please continue watching. Alright, so starting off with the packaging. The packaging looks exactly the same as the other two gloss bombs. It's just the same box and you get the shade name on the top. So this one is called Fussy with the double dollar signs. And this is what the lip gloss looks like. The packaging is exactly the same as the other two glosses already in the Gloss Bomb collection. Once you look at it, it's definitely very pinky, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna look on the lips. I'm curious if this smells the same as the other ones. I'm almost positive this smells just like the original Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. It smells very like vanilla. I guess I was right. So it is a peach vanilla scent. So apparently all of them have the same scent, which I really like. I don't mind it. It smells really good. All right, let's just apply it already. Ooh, this is very pretty. Same formula, same gorgeous lip gloss. Who am I kidding? I think you already know what I'm about to say. I love this lip gloss. I think Fenty has one of the best lip glosses formulas in the market, and I really love this formula because it's really not sticky and it's such a beautiful lip gloss. I personally think that it does look more pinky on the tube than it does on my lips. What do you think? I mean, I still really love how it looks on my lips. I had nothing on my lips before and I can seriously just wear this lip gloss alone and I'll be good to go. So I really love that. What do you think? Now the biggest question that I have, and I'm sure you're also wondering, is this new Fussy shade worth buying if you already have the other gloss bombs? So I'm going to be comparing this new shade with the other two gloss bombs in the collection because I also have them. I mean, I just do. So these are the other two glosses. If you haven't seen, I actually reviewed the Diamond Milk in the past. So I'm going to link that video here in the corner so you can also go watch that after if you're interested. And I have also the Fenty Glow, the original lip gloss. I'm going to swatch all of them so that you can see comparisons side by side. Alright, so here are the three swatches. So the one on the top is the new shade Fussy. The one in the middle is Diamond Milk. And the one at the bottom is the original Fenty Glow. So Fussy, it's definitely more pinky. In Fenty Glow, it's more of a neutral nude. So it all depends what is your preference. If you are really into pinky glosses, then I will go with Fussy. But if you like more neutral glosses, then I will go with Fenty Glow. Diamond Milk, like I said, is just different on its own, and I personally love the three glosses, so it all depends on preference. But I'm also going to be swatching them on my lips so that you can see comparisons on the screen side by side. So here we go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I personally love the three Gloss Bombs shades. I think that all three shades are very different, and if you're thinking of picking one up, it all depends on preference. If you're more into pinky undertones glosses, then the new shade Fussy, it's a good one for you. If you prefer more neutral undertones nude glosses, then the original Fenty Glow is a good one to pick up. And obviously Diamond Milk is just one of a kind on its own, so if you like that icy glittery glasses, then that one is a good one for you. I personally love the formula in the gloss bombs by Fenty Beauty, so they are a little bit pricey, but if you like Fenty, what can I tell you? I personally love the three. So I really hope this video was helpful for you in some way and that you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'll be checking your comments as always. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.